ending or beginning on an ever-spinning reel, like a snowball down a mountain or a carnival balloon, like a carousel that's turning, running rings around the moon, like a clock whose hands are sweeping past the minutes of its face. And the world is like an apple whirling silently in space, like the circles that you find in the windmills of your mind, like a tunnel that you follow to a tunnel of its own, down a hollow to a cavern where the sun has never shone, like a door that keeps revolving in a half-forgotten dream, like the ripples from a pebble someone tosses in a stream, like a clock whose hands are sweeping past the minutes of its face. And our world is like an apple whirling silently in space, like the circles that you find in the windmills of your mind. Keys that jingle in your pocket. Where's that jingle in your head? Why did summer go so quickly? Was it something that you said? Love is warm along the shore, and leave their footprints in the sand. Is the sound of distant train just the fingers of your hand? Pictures hanging in a hallway, in the brightness of the sun, and forgotten names of faces